Hey Andrew, how you doing? Okay, let's see where we're at. Here we are right here. So thank you very much for addressing those issues. It's really a good learning process what happened here. And for those of you watching along, what happened was Andrew created a composite in Photoshop, which was comprised of a masked portion of the background image and then another masked image. So what he was doing is compositing two masked images. And what happened was that we talked about it and decided that that's not the most appropriate way to preserve editability. So in other words, if you use a composite for the background image and your client says, hey, I love the ad, but I don't like the masked image, can you change that? Well, you would have to go back and start over. To maintain editability, what we do is we just place a background image, then we place a masked image completely separately. That way, either one is individually editable. Okay, right, Andrew? So it was a great learning process, though. Excellent learning process. I mean, that's fantastic as it worked out. Um, so Andrew made his changes. Let's go ahead and jump over to the magazine ad, Andrew. And I think this is excellent. I think it's excellent, really good. One couple of comments I have is I want to do something. I want to get in here and take a look. Looks like you have a white stroke on your type. I don't recommend that. I would remove that. I don't ever recommend using stroke on typography. It actually changes the shapes of the letters. Most professional graphic designers, you will not find placing stroke outlines on type. Okay, so right now I think your type is a little bit too large, right? So you have experience, relaxation, and rejuvenation like never before. I'm okay with the headline set up as this kind of duplicity here. We've got the experience being set up. That's fine, and then this is good, but take this whole thing and reduce it a little bit. Then let's get it away from there. Let's set up a good margin here. So I want to pull that in right about here or so. Okay, watch my cursor. Then take that whole headline subhead combination and place it like something like that. Okay, so we don't want it quite that large. Body copy looks pretty good. Good job there. Again, though, you might consider nudging it over just a little bit because right, you're starting to encroach on the edge of the page. You're encroaching on a no print zone right there. So other than that, I think we're looking great. Now, the masked image looks fantastic, right? But, and we can see the sand right through the mask. Excellent job there. But the only thing is we take a look at the vibrance and saturation associated with the background image, and then we take a look at this. And this one is much more saturated, much more vibrant. My recommendation is to add some adjustment layers here to try to make this look exactly like that. Okay, let's go and jump over to the banner. So the banner ad I have up, and I think you had kind of self-admitted, what the heck did I do with it? Here it is. I think self-admittedly you recognize some of the issues with the banner ad. And I think the main thing, well, a couple of things. The masked image isn't here. We need the masked image in there. Okay. So you've got that masked image. Yeah. I mean, I wonder if you just take that and really reduce the heck out of it and try to place it right here or maybe in the distance somewhere. I don't know. See if you can work it out. But you're more than welcome to place a different masked image. But we need the masked image. The biggest issue I'm having is this kind of, the type is just sliding in and sliding out, blinking and flashing, and it's just not very relaxing at all. It's more stressful, I think, than anything else. So I'm going to turn that off. We'll take a look at your PSD. My recommendation is this. We take the headline. Okay, so this is too text heavy for the banner ad, right? And that, I want to take that right there. And I'm just going to turn that off for now. Okay, so we take this, maybe we could just say experience relaxation like never before. So experience relaxation in Arial bold, and then actually, I take that back. Experience relaxation like never before. Yeah, experience relaxation like never before. So experience relaxation would be your headline, okay? Experience relaxation like never before. I would left align those two. So you have experience relaxation like never before, okay? Then right here, you want to animate the call to action, the promotion. So go over here and let's see what your promotion is and condense the heck out of it. If you can fit it in 3 or 4 words, then place it right here and animate it. Now, when you animate it, you want it to fade in, fade out. Make sure it's not completely disappeared at all at any time. So you don't want full opacity. You want partial opacity. So it's semi-transparent when you start. Then it fades into full transparency. Then fades back out to semi-transparency. And then loop that, right? So then we have headline, subhead, and then the promotional call to action animated. Only animate the promotional call to action. That's it, okay? Then we're going to place a logo right here, okay? Now, I don't know how you're going to do your masked image because right now this is taking up a lot of area. So I'm just wondering, just think about what your masked image is. I'll tell you what a good idea would be is to take some palm leaves, like mask out some palm leaves or some kind of foliage and just maybe place it right here at the corner. That would be a great solution right there. Just a couple of leaves, either there, maybe even over here. Maybe, just think about it. But anyways, those are my recommendations. Location. You don't have to include the entire contact information, but location. So headline, subhead, animated. Then we have the logo. We have to place the location somewhere. So, and you don't have to include the whole contact information. Just like located in U.S. Virgin Islands, maybe right there. Somewhere, I don't know. Just think about where it would fit the best and place accordingly. Okay. All right. Those are my recommendations. So it's a fantastic start. Nice job. Effort is phenomenal. Execution is fantastic. You're showing great proficiency here. It's just a matter of kind of tweaking your layouts a little bit. And I think we're good to go. All right. So let's go ahead and make those changes. I'd like to see those changes represented in your final submission, which is coming up in week 7 quickly. So let's go ahead and address those changes. And if you want to run this by me again before week 7, have at it. I'll be glad to make additional comments. All right. Great job. Thank you very much.